Uh-oh. He liked that stick. Here he's got it again. I'm here in my way. Oops, he lost his stick. Oh, yeah, it's cold. Pretty boy. You are a gorgeous little boy. Yes, you are. Harold. Go under the legs. He's so funny. Oh no. Get run over. He'll run into you. They both will. He's trying to get her front legs. She'll grab and pull his hair out. Man, I'm gonna get dizzy going around. Jeezy. He is funny. No wonder he got his face bit. Oh, that was pretty good. Oh, don't run into me. Jeezy. Ah, guys.
They sure could.
Look out. You gotta brace yourself.
They definitely need a yard this size or bigger.
They do. They are